Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Prajapati. I have uploaded many videos, but you are not subscribing my channel. At least one like to kar diya karo and comment kar diya karo in which topic do I have to make videos. I will be making. I will try to make videos. Okay, so please subscribe कर लेना मेरे चैनल को and like करिए and comment करिए और अपने friends के साथ में share करिए जो आपके बहुत ही नजदीकी friends हैं उनको ही share करिए और दूसरों को मत करिए. Okay, I come from a very small village of Uttar Pradesh, and in this video I am going to tell a very important and relevant topic that is going to be very relevant for you guys. If you are a beginner, then definitely it is going to be very relevant, guys. Everybody thinks that we just have to join any paid classes for learning this language. Everybody thinks, if you are thinking that I will have to join paid classes for learning English like Cambly and Ngru, these kinds of app, you don't have to join, because I did not join any paid classes because I did not have enough money, and even then I am able to speak good English. I learned it by myself by using YouTube. If you are thinking that I cannot learn this language if I'm not purchasing any classes, if there is no one to speak, how can I learn this language? So if you are thinking like this, you cannot, you don't have to think, guys, because I have done it. If I have done it, you can too. This is a very good thing that you have to do, guys. You don't have to focus on purchased classes. If you are thinking that I am not able to purchase any classes, don't worry. You don't need to purchase. You just need to have a smartphone, and everybody has a smartphone. Everybody has a smartphone. If you have, you can learn this language. You just need to use YouTube in a very good manner. If you're using YouTube for watching web series, movies, scrolling reels, if you are doing it, please don't do it. You have to use your smartphone in a very good manner. You have to learn this language. You just have to use YouTube in a very good manner. You can learn this language. There are various teachers in YouTube, very good teachers, very good English teachers. If you are following them, you will be able to learn. And I already have told 4 best YouTube channels for learning this language. You can watch my video okay, from playlist. If you will watch those channels, you will find very relevant for learning this language. They are very good teachers like Sartasar classes. You just have to watch first. If you're a beginner, then definitely watch his videos, because he tells in a very good manner, and you will be able to learn the sentences very easily. You will be able to understand the formulas, the rules in a very easy manner. Guys, if you don't have to focus on purchasing classes, if you are thinking that I am not able to purchase any classes, how do I have to learn this language? So guys, this is an example. I have learned this language without spending a single rupee. I just used free apps. And YouTube is a big platform to learn anything in this world. I'm not talking about only English language, but also about any other things, guys. YouTube is such a very free platform to learn anything. You just have to use in a good manner. If you are using it, if you are practicing English every day, what I have told, what the tips you have to follow, I have told in my videos. If you are if you are following those tips every day, you will learn this language. If you have the dedication to learn, you will definitely learn. You just need to have a dedication, consistency, and discipline, guys. If these 3 things are in your personality, you will learn this language very easily. And this is very easy. This is very easy to learn. You just have to learn, guys. You just have to start learning. You don't have to think I'm lacking something. You are not lacking. You have a smartphone. You can learn it. Okay. because everybody, because there are many guys, I am relating to those guys, because I also used to think that I have to join in Guru, Cambly, but they are very expensive. I don't need to join. If you are joining, you are just wasting your time, because there are free apps you can use. You are just wasting your money and time. You don't have to waste your money and time on those apps. Firstly, you have to learn English by yourself, by using YouTube, by using free apps, because you are a beginner, and you just have to focus on your high school and intermediate learning. Okay, you after learning this, you just have to go for advanced learning, advanced English learning. Okay, so you don't have to feel like this, that I am lacking something, I am not able to join any classes, how can I learn this language? If you are not thinking about like this, if you just have started learning and you are just focused on your learning process, and if you are watching English web series, English speeches, if you are speaking whatever the things are coming in your mind in English language, you have to try to speak. If you are doing it every day, you will definitely learn. And I have told 5 minutes tip you have to use every day before going to the bed. If you are, whatever you have done in your day, you just have to practice speaking for 5 minutes. You have to speak like I also have told in my last video that you have to practice like this, like I have today I woke up at 5 o'clock, and after that I went to I fresh up, and after that I did exercises, and then I took my breakfast, and then I took a bath, and I went to outside for watching Durga Mata pandal, and after that I came to my house, and I started reading books, and then I did this. Like this, you just have to use simple sentences. If you are using everyday simple sentences, it will be very easy to learn the sentences after some days, and you will be able to recall easily, and the sentences will automatically come. You don't need you will not be needing to you don't need to think. After sometimes you don't need to think, it will be coming automatically, guys, if you are practicing it every day. So the main theme of this video was you don't have to focus if you are lacking something, if you are not able to join any classes because of lack of money. I also faced, so you don't need to join, join. Really, guys, really, you just have to focus on your learning, and there are various things. If UPSC preparation can be can be done by using YouTube, only YouTube. सो इंग्लिश कौन नहीं लर्न कर सकता? जब IAS बन सकते हैं केवल यूट्यूब को यूज करके, तो इंग्लिश के लिए तो इतना सारा प्लेटफॉर्म है, इतने सारे यूट्यूब चैनल्स हैं, इतने अच्छे फ्री बेस्ड टीचर्स हैं. तो इफ यू हैव डेडिकेशन, यदि आपके अंदर है वो चीज कि मुझे ये करना है, तो आप कर सकते हैं. आप यदि आप बहाने बनाते रहेंगे, इफ यू आर मेकिंग एक्सक्यूजेस कि मेरे पास ये नहीं है, मेरे पास ये नहीं है, मेरे पास वो नहीं है, तो आप कभी नहीं लर्न कर पाएंगे. यदि आपने सोचा है कि मुझे अब लर्न करना है, तो आपको स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा अभी से, और थोड़ा हार्ड वर्क करना पड़ेगा. यू विल हैव टू गिव अप योर कंफर्ट जोन इफ यू वांट टू लर्न दिस लैंग्वेज. यू विल हैव टू डू हार्ड वर्क बीट्स टैलेंट. हार्ड वर्क बीट्स टैलेंट, गाइज. यू जस्ट हैव टू डू हार्ड वर्क करने के लिए तैयार हो तो कर सकते हो. It is just language, but nothing more than that. It is very easy if you have the dedication to learn. If you have thought that I am ready to do hard work, the language is yours. The language is yours. Okay, you will definitely be able to learn this language very soon, very easily. Okay. इफ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो प्लीज लाइक कर देना एंड सब्सक्राइब कर लो मेरे चैनल को एंड शेयर टू ऑल योर फ्रेंड्स हु आर क्लोज टू यू सो दैट दे कैन ऑल्सो वॉच माई वीडियोज ओके। एंड कमेंट कर दीजिए प्लीज, एक कमेंट कर देना कैसा लगा वीडियो। यदि बुरा लगा तो बुरा कमेंट करिए, अच्छा लगा तो अच्छा कर दीजिए। ओके, हैव अ गुड डे, वी विल मीट इन अनदर वीडियो, बाय बाय।